Hi, everybody. This is Dr. Uejin Kim. I'm a Christian psychiatrist who cares about what's right with you than what's wrong with you. In this video, I wanted to kind of describe the 5 most common obstacles to receiving and continuing talk therapy. Because if you're like me, it took a while for me to try a few therapists that really clicked, and it took the time out of my day. And I really didn't know if it was a good fit. Is it my fault or is it just not a good fit? There was just a lot of questions. And at the end of the video, I wanted to introduce you a course that I created with these 5 obstacles in mind. So I'm really excited, and let's start the discussion. So the first obstacle I wanted to talk about was cost of time and resources. Now, a lot of times the clients have to go with the availability of the therapist, and some therapists make, weekends and evening schedules, but sometimes some don't. So we have to rearrange a lot of our life duties and work and take PTO, drive there, or get in the car to Zoom. There's just a lot of cost upfront to even get a therapist. Number 2, lack of immediate results. I tell all my patients in my clinic that give a therapist 5 to 7 sessions to really see if it's a good fit. Now, 5 sessions is a long time to see if this is heading in the right direction. It's because talk therapy, you have to have a lot of things in place before. First few are intake, so the therapist is really getting to know you. And then in the meantime, you have to feel comfortable to be vulnerable with these painful memories that you had, right? And so you're building rapport, they're getting to know you, you're getting to know them. It really takes 5 to 7 sessions to see if it's a good fit. So that lack of immediate result is what hinders people from continuing with the talk therapy. The third is a mismatch. Let's say that you invested 5 to 7 sessions, and if there's a mismatch of the therapist, there's no reason to continue because mismatch of, your value system, your beliefs, your talking styles is a huge component of building rapport and trusting relationship in talk therapy. So mismatch, personality, belief system, value system, is a component that hinders a lot of people from continuing with the talk therapy. And number 4 is fear of vulnerability. A lot of times, if you're like me, when I decided to start therapy, it was because I was overwhelmed with what was going on in my mind and my memories that came back up. So you're not in a comfortable place to start a talk therapy. And there's a huge fear of vulnerability. What are they going to think of me? Are they going to judge me? Are they going to accept me? Or am I allowed to share this with this professional stranger? These are all questions that really hinders somebody from starting a talk therapy or even continuing talk therapy. That fear of vulnerability is so real when you're getting in touch with these painful memories. And last but not least, long wait lists. We all know that there's mental health crisis out there, and to find the right fit or even a therapist at all, there's a huge wait list to get help. So let me kind of switch the gear a little bit and talk about my course, Be Still to Move Forward. I created this course to combat a lot of the obstacles that you and I all face to get the help that we all needed. This is an online, self-paced course to teach you a very efficient and effective therapy techniques within the realm of cognitive behavioral therapy. I made my personal chapter in getting in touch with your inner child using those materials that we gather from the previous module. And then I add a parenting module where we are getting in touch with our inner child, and our current self is really working together to troubleshoot your life's common problems. This is so effective. I've gotten positive feedback from people that I've run this course with, and I'm so excited to share this course with you. So first and foremost, the costs and resources. It takes a lot of energy. It takes a lot of time away from work, away from your other life's duties to rearrange your life to really make it to that appointment to try to get talk therapy. Since this online is accessible through your laptop or even your iPhone to get the worksheets, so you don't have to rearrange anything in your life, you can really pick the time that is convenient for you to start this course. Lack of immediate results. I'm not promising you this course will give you faster results than talk therapy, but think about it this way. If you're using private pay therapists, it's about $100 to $150 per session. And if you follow my recommendation to give 5 to 7 sessions, that's at least $500 to $700 that you'll be putting forward to see if this is a good fit. I priced this course so that this is even less than 5 sessions with a lower end of private pay therapist. So there's even less risk of waiting for the results to happen, less time and less money for you to really learn these therapy skills that can jumpstart your journey. Number 3, mismatch of personalities, values, and beliefs. The good thing about self-paced course is that there's no other human being that you have to watch out for their reaction or how they feel about it, what they think about what you just said. It's just you within yourself. I will say, though, that you'll be surprised how many voices or opinions inside your own head that will come up during this course. But the beauty of it is that this course is going to bring up those tensions and different belief systems inside your own head so that we can all be connected and aligned with our values and our beliefs so that we can really move forward. So you're not worried about another person and what their belief is. You're really paying attention to what's going on in your head so that every voices inside your head, in a way, is aligned and connected and together. Fear of vulnerability. This course will bring up some of the memories that was not processed or very painful, just like a talk therapy does. But the beauty of this course is that it's self-paced and it's just you. So you're not really worried about other people maybe judging you or assessing you when you're bringing up these memories. It's just you attending yourself with these memories. Now, for some of you who's taking this course, I do recommend getting a therapist or support system, especially if you're kind of starting off in a rocky spot. But just know that these will be the people that you already established with, your friends and family who already loves you, who already has proven that they're here for you. So this is the power of this course. And last but not least, long wait list. This course, you don't have to wait anymore to get the help that you need. You can access this course right now if you follow the link below. The purpose of this course is not to replace talk therapy. By no means. I think there's a power of having another human being who's talented and professional to really walk beside you. But like I said, if these obstacles, pay, cost, fear of vulnerability or long wait lists, if they're getting in the way, use this course to jumpstart your journey so that even if the wait list is 2 to 3 months from now, you can have this course so that you can start to understand what you've been going through. And even if you have an existing therapist, in between sessions, you can use the content of this course to amplify the work that you're doing with a talk therapist. So again, I care for you and I want you to be connected with yourself, your whole self. And this course is a great way to start your journey. So if you have any questions, email us at hi@uejinkim.com. Otherwise, click on the link below to start your journey today. And in another video, I'm going to be doing a deep dive into what the course actually entails and what each modules kind of touch. So if you're interested in learning more about the course, I'll put the video link below as well. So I'm so excited for you. So let's get your journey started.